a phenomenal man that has contributed so much to Waterford hurling over the last 20 years. And if every fella gave what he gave, who knows what we would have won.
That's a huge one, all the way in. Oh, once again, Ken McGrath standing strong, indestructible at number 6.
Ag retrastan na parka, ag dina flick áidir an líróid is tacan na láimh agus ag casan drón cool agus ag dul. Bin Ken McGrath himself.
We've been unlucky not to win All Ireland, but I think that defines any of our generation.
Right blocked down by Ken McGrath.
We've been involved in some of the best games of all time. We lifted a whole generation of hurling people in Waterford. We have to win All Ireland, but I'll be honest, the team will be remembered.
We're watching one of the great artists of our time in hurling, Ken McGrath, whipping over the mark.
Laochra Gael, Ken McGrath, TG4.